Leaf margins are another great clue when identifying plants. The margin is the edge of the leaf, and how smooth or otherwise it is can be a diagnostic feature, that is, a characteristic distinctive for a particular species. An entire margin is smooth with unbroken edges. A toothed margin is regularly cut inwards to form roughly triangular teeth. These teeth may be blunt or sharp-pointed. Toothed is a somewhat general term, and if you want to go full botanist speak, tooth margins can be divided up into serrate and serrulate, dentate and denticulate, depending on the angle and size of the teeth, and even biserrate, when each tooth is itself toothed. In serrate margins, the teeth point towards the tip of the leaf. In dentate margins, the teeth point straight out. Serrulate and denticulate indicate that these teeth are small. Crenate means the margin has rounded projections. Wavy margins are again divided up into more specific types. Sinuate is flat and wavy, whilst undulate is wavy with up and down added. Lobed margins divide a simple leaf into lobes, so the edges are indented but not separated into distinct leaflets. Leaves can be shallowly lobed or deeply so. In palmately lobed leaves, the lobes radiate from the leaf base. In pinnately lobed leaves, the lobes are arranged on either side of the midrib. Pinnatophyid leaves are deeply pinnately lobed, and pinnatisect leaves are indented almost down to the midrib, so they look quite like compound pinnate leaves, but they aren't actually divided all the way to the midrib. In some plants, points on the margins have been modified into spines. Such margins are known as spinos. Margins can also be rolled in on themselves. Revolute means that they roll downwards, or if they roll upwards, they're called involute. So, to summarise, leaf margins can be entire, they can be toothed, they can be wavy, and they can be lobed. Some are rolled in on themselves, and occasionally you'll find spines. These different characteristics can help you work out what plant species you have.